I won't warn you. If you never reach 18 years, you no fit listen to this podcast.
You see, if this life balance, maybe for no sweet o. No wonder all these television people where they report wahala, na their market they sell wella. Today you go hear say they keep SCPK, tomorrow security issue, next tomorrow with their own money. All these things they make the world busy. And as bad as it they sound for people here, you still shocked say people still want to hear wetin dey happen. That na the funny thing about this world we dey so. You see, Shaba don dey mad for years now. Nobody know where she from come, but the way we be say she don popular for the town. Even Pidgin where it is never complete finish, in don sabi am well. She fine die, as in you go even dey wonder wetin go make this kind fine woman dey craze. Who do this kind thing to am? And this question wey I dey ask so, na the question wey the whole village dey ask themselves. Na so Okoro come enter one day, come dey shout, say why e no be say na all those ugly women dey mad? Why e come be this fine one? See im head, that way they don use woman swear for. They don use drink finish im head. But nobody go fit argue with wetin im dey talk. We all dey ask ourselves, who do this woman this kind thing? You know say na one uncompleted building na im be Shaba house. No be say na she build am o, but na there she dey put head dey sleep. Her property, of course, e no go many na. You know her craze woman property dey be. Na so rag. But one thing dey for sure. When e come to wetin dey enter belle, Shaba no dey chop yeye food o. People for the town don make am their duty to dey give am food. The thing come be like ministry work o. Morning till night, e dey always dey see who go give am food. Maybe na because she fine o, na im make everybody like am o. But you know say, like most people wey dey craze, Shaba dirty sha. But that one no hide her beauty o. The fineness still dey come outside wella. Then sometimes when e don enter her head, she sabi dance. Shaba dey dance aya. All this one go see dey show you say something don lost for head o. But e get am for body. You know say people dey talk and say they don dey carry mad dog dey keep for house. If not, I sure say person for this town for don push Shaba for house. Na Mama Tasty don carry Shaba matter for head. She don even turn Mama Shaba finish. Shaba matter no dey finish for her restaurant. Every day she dey make sure say she no dey fail to give Shaba food. Even all the customers wey dey come in shop, they don sabi Shaba na. That Abako, e dey sell well. If you see the big ogas wey dey come dey shop for there, you go know say levels dey. She dey make enough money for the place. And Mama Tasty get mouth for town o. She know people wey sabi wella for inside this town. Most of the big politicians, they come Abako come shop now. And once food enter, drink come mix with am. Everything go dey pour outside now. All the gist go dey fall out. Abako na peaceful town. Some kind wahala dey happen sometimes so. But if you look am well, you know say Abako na place where man pikin fit hide im head. And na so dem dey like shop o. They see the jolly inside. No wonder Mama Tasty popular die. Beer parlor food this town e just spread scatter everywhere. As in many reach, they see they open new ones every day. When you enter town, that's so they go they play music boom. You go be like say party for morning, party for afternoon, party for evening. My brother, my sister, life sweet well for inside Abako. But one funny thing for Abako be say, as beer parlor many, the jollyment in many, na so church dey full grant. The women, they near God o. The way they carry the matter for head. Some fit don't even see God. Now then they fall and sleep for mattress. That na Abako for you. Everybody go like to stay there. But strange things con dey happen for Abako town. Things wey no ever happen before. Whether na world wan end, abi na because say election don dey come, nobody con know. But this no be the first time wey election dey happen now. This kind thing wey con dey happen, I dey tell you, e never happen before for this town. The first thing be say, NEPA no con take light for like 1 week. NEPA! Pamali go be 89 years tomorrow. Since when dem born am, light never last 2 days for Abako town. Then Rita wey dey fry akara for Wahala Junction come wake up one day to go meet person head for her akara joint. Since that day wey she see that thing, she never fit fry akara. You fry. For like 1 week now, everywhere just dey one kind because Koti just dey read anybody wey dey see for the junction. Wetin come make am worse na say people pikin come dey lost anyhow these days. You dey find pikin, today you see am, tomorrow they go say that pikin don miss. The one wey come touch people well na Shaba matter. People come dey complain, say they don't notice say Shaba no dey sharp again like before. That dance wey she dey dance, e no dey im body again. In fact, na she even manage come collect food from Mama Tasty hand o. Mama Tasty just dey look am like this because he notice say something dey wrong. After that time, for over 1 week, nobody use eye see Shaba for anywhere. Na in one day, Shaba come finally come out to come collect chop from her normal spot. Na there Abako people see wetin they never see before. Shaba face don swear, e nose don big pass before. Wetin come burst our head? We come see say her belle don big. The whole town shake that day. Who be the useless one wey mama no born well, wey konji wan kill am? Na mad woman in see con shoot prick enter. Na so people come dey curse the man. All the women, they use their full shares, they swear for the brother. E really pain them that day. Men no go ever change. Who be that useless man? Wey say na Shaba ain't go see to give belle? Mama Tasty just dey spark. You come dey wonder. She come dey cry. You know when vex and cry come dey mix together. We must to find that useless man, except my God they sleep. You go hear am.
Thank you well say they listen to Abako. We hope say they enjoy the story. You feel listen to Abako for Spotify, Apple Podcast and YouTube. Na 808 Xtra na im produce am. Na Chuki One Pillar write am. Ona Kuale na im voice am. The soundtrack na Onyebeat and FayFay na im do am. The sound design, mixing and mastering na 808 Xtra do am. If you want write for us or you want work together, you fit contact us for 808extrang@gmail.com. Support for this channel they come from the osusu wey you dey pay us. You fit send your own if na naira to paystack.com/pay/808extran, or if na dollars you want send am to paystack.com/808extrad. All these details dey for the show notes.